Hey folks, welcome to Mastering Django Development. I am Gomezgani Walumbe, your friendly guide through this Django adventure. Before we jump into the code, let me give you the lowdown on what this course is all about. The big question would be, why are we here? Well, the goal of this course is pretty straightforward. I want to turn you into a Django ninja. We're diving deep into Django's universe, exploring its nooks and crannies. So you come out of the other end with skills to build awesome web applications. Now you might be wondering, why Django? Think of Django as the superhero of web frameworks. It's fast, it's scalable, and it makes your life as a developer a whole lot easier. From startups to big dogs in the tech world, Django is everywhere, powering some seriously cool stuff. Stick with me and you'll soon see why Django is a game changer. This course is for everyone itching to get into web development. Whether you are a coder newbie or a seasoned developer looking to add Django to your tool belt, you are in good company. I have crafted this content to suit different skill levels, so no matter where you are at, you can jump in and level up your skills. Now, let's talk structure. We are keeping it chill and flexible. Each video is like a standalone episode, so you don't have to watch in any particular order. Although I would encourage you to take it step by step if you're just getting started. And guess what? We are not just talking theory, we are building stuff. Mini projects at the end of each module mean you get hands-on from day one. By the end of this journey, you'll be a Django master. Models, views, templates, authentication, RESTful APIs, you name it, and we are covering it. The goal is to give you the skills and confidence to tackle real-world projects with Django. So now let's address the elephant in the room, prerequisites. If you know a bit of Python, that's awesome. If not, then I would highly encourage you to get a few basics on Python and come back to this course. But mostly, what you need is a curious mind and a knack for problem solving. That's the secret sauce right there. Throughout the journey, you will have access to all sorts of goodies. Downloadable resources, code snippets, links to documentations. It's just like having a coding toolkit light at your fingertips. Alright, enough of the chit chat. I am stoked to have you here. Whether you're building your first web application or gearing up to be the Django hero your team needs, this course is the place to be. So stay curious, stay awesome, and let's kick off this Django journey together. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, and if you're ready, then let's dive in.